Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices, plug in a reliable USB cable, or insert the memory card into a reader. Make sure your camera is on and set to the correct USB mode. Some cameras require PC or mass storage, others use MTP. Once done, open Lightroom and confirm it recognizes external devices under import. You need Lightroom running before connecting on some systems, so pause briefly if nothing appears. This ensures Lightroom can detect files and present import options immediately. Once Lightroom sees the camera or card, click Import and focus on the left column to select source and folders. You should preview thumbnails, then decide whether to add, copy, or move files. Choose Copy if you want backups. Next, set destination, apply import presets and metadata to save time. Make sure to enable Smart Previews if you plan to edit without the original files. Finally, set file handling. Build suitable preview size and check Don't import suspected duplicates to avoid repeats. You finish by pressing Import and watching the progress bar. When complete, confirm images appear in the catalog and open a few in Develop to verify previews. If Lightroom fails to import, try a different USB port or direct card reader, restart Lightroom, or relaunch your computer. Make sure the camera is not in playback-only mode. One key troubleshooting tip: if files still don't show, copy them manually from the card to a local folder and use Lightroom's Add function to import. That often bypasses connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.